Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and fall is already here. So fall is one of my favorite seasons of all the time, and today's video is we are going to create this pink awesome makeup look using both palettes, the Hottie Pink eyeshadow palette and the Neon Brights eyeshadow palette from Beauty Treats. And I'm very excited that we're going to be creating fall looks because I like the fall season. That's why I want to do that. And I hope you guys enjoy. And let's get started. So first things first is I'm going to use this Hottie Pink eyeshadow palette, which I bought this at Five Below. And this palette, it comes with 14 different eyeshadow colors. But I'm not going to use all of them. I just want to use the pink colors to create this look. And it has the mirror right here. You can see yourself. Hi! This also comes with a brush, by the way. And the color I'm going to be using is this bubblegum pink right here. And I'm going to apply that on the eyelids right here on both sides. Now we're going to go to the Neon Brights eyeshadow palette. And the color I'm going to be using is the Shocking Pink right here in the middle. And the brush I'm using is the e.l.f. Blending Eye. I'm just going to put a little bit so I don't mess up the bubblegum pink color on the lid. Slowly press it where the bubblegum pink color is, right here. Okay, and now we're going to go with this neon pink color. And now we're just going to blend the bubblegum pink and this shocking pink right here. Alright, I'm going to do the eyeshadow on the lower lash line and the eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I did the eyeliner off camera, and the eyeliner I've been using is this CoverGirl Brown Wiglet eyeliner. And for my waterline, I use this Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil, which I used it the whole time. Sometimes I wear the eyeliner on my eyelid. I think the top part, sometimes on the waterline, on the bottom part. Okay. For mascaras, for eyelashes, I'm going to use both of them. The Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And the other one is the LA Colors Boomtastic Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to do the fake lashes and the lips, and we're done. Alright guys, this is the end result of this pink awesome look. So every products I did, it'll be linked down below in the video description. So for the lashes, I use this 4-pack of these lashes. I think the ones I've been using right now is the Gola lashes. The Gola ones. For lipstick, I use this. I think it's from Rimmel London. It's the Raspberry Rose lipstick. And this lip gloss, I don't know the name of it, but I'll link it down below in the video description. But it's like a lip gloss though. I had this for 6 years now. And it's been almost been like a long time ago. But I used this lipstick for a little bit, but I haven't used it for a while now. But yes, I use it right now. I do like it though. I'm going to try to get a new one that's the same color as that. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you do like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. This will be helpful for my next videos. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't so already. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Also follow me on social media, TikTok and Instagram. If you guys don't have social media, it's okay. But yes, as always, if you have any other requests for my next videos, you can leave them down below in the comments below and I'll get back to you anytime soon. Alright guys, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you on my next video.